Welcome to Top Tech Gadgets. Today we're showing you 15 of the coolest, smartest, and most futuristic gadgets you'll wish you owned. Let's dive straight in. Meet the Vobot Mini dock, the compact command center your desktop didn't know it needed. It's not just a USB dock. It's a smart hub that turns your monitor into a full workstation, with built-in controls for volume, brightness, and even Pomodoro timers. It brings a tactile edge to your digital workflow. The Mini dock doubles as a tiny clock with customizable LED display options that sync to your system. Plug in your devices, charge them fast, and manage everything from one sleek hub. Whether you're editing videos or just keeping your desk neat, Vobot makes multitasking stylish. Think of it as your workspace's digital assistant, shrunk to palm size. Say goodbye to bulky laptop stands and hello to KnockFree, the ultra-minimal floating stand that literally disappears beneath your device. Built from precision aluminum, it raises your laptop just enough to improve airflow and ergonomics. The best part? Its magnetic base gives you that perfect grip without a clunky frame. It's the ultimate mix of design and practicality, transforming any desk into a clean, zen workspace. Perfect for those who hate clutter but love style. Plus, it's foldable and portable, so you can take your setup on the go. KnockFree proves that sometimes less really is more. Next up, meet Voltbot, the world's smartest robotic charger that actually comes to you. Imagine a charger that roams around your house, finds your devices, and powers them up automatically. That's right, Voltbot uses AI navigation to detect low batteries and dock itself with your phone or laptop wirelessly. No more crawling under your desk for cables or fighting over outlets. It's not just convenient, it's futuristic living in action. With fast-charging tech and smart obstacle avoidance, Voltbot turns your charging routine into a sci-fi experience. Forget cables, let the charger come to you. This one feels straight out of a movie. Incarnify is the world's first AI home camera with human-like vision and awareness. It doesn't just record, it understands. Thanks to its dual neural engines, it can detect moods, gestures, and even the context of what's happening around your home. That means smarter alerts, better security, and zero false alarms. Its design looks more like modern decor than a camera, blending beautifully into any space. Whether you're checking on your pets or keeping your home secure, Incarnify watches with empathy, not just pixels. It's home intelligence on a whole new level. Meet your pocket-sized translator and scanner, the Nui's Scan Reader. Just glide it over any printed text, and it instantly translates, reads aloud, or saves the words for later. It's like having a portable language assistant in your hand. Perfect for students, travelers, and professionals, it supports dozens of languages and even works offline. The bright OLED screen and voice output make it easy to follow along while reading. Plus, it doubles as a digital note-taker for quick study sessions. The Nui's Scan Reader turns any book, menu, or document into your personal learning tool. Reading has never been this smart. If you love building, repairing, or just tinkering, the EARC Screwdriver Set is a total must-have. Crafted with magnetic precision bits and a premium aluminum case, it feels as good as it looks. The case opens like a futuristic toolkit. Sleek, organized, and totally satisfying. Each bit locks securely with a magnetic base, so you'll never lose a piece mid-project. Whether you're fixing a smartphone or assembling gadgets, this kit's got you covered. It's portable enough for everyday carry and stylish enough for your workspace. The EARC set makes DIY feel professional and just a little bit luxurious. Here's something for Apple fans: the Momax 3-in-1 wireless charger that powers your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously. Its foldable design makes it perfect for both desk and travel use. Just unfold, drop your devices, and let it do the work with lightning-fast MagSafe charging. The soft matte finish and subtle LED indicators keep your setup clean and modern. No messy cords, no clutter, just elegant efficiency. It even doubles as a phone stand for FaceTime or Netflix binges. Momax is proof that practical tech can also look incredibly good. Calling all content creators, the Zhiyun Gimbal Stabilizer is your new secret weapon. Designed to keep your shot smooth and cinematic, this gimbal adapts to your every move. With advanced stabilization and smart tracking, your videos look effortlessly professional. Whether you're vlogging, filming action scenes, or shooting reels, it delivers silky, shake-free footage every time. Its compact foldable design makes it perfect for travel, while intuitive controls keep it beginner-friendly. Add in gesture control and creative shooting modes, and you've got a filmmaker's dream tool. Zhiyun lets your creativity move without limits. Tiny but mighty, the new Beeler. Mini iron is every traveler's best-kept secret. Despite its size, it packs serious heat power for quick touch-ups anywhere. The dual-plate design glides smoothly over fabrics, handling wrinkles in seconds, perfect for clothes, crafts, and even heat transfer projects. It's incredibly versatile. The ergonomic handle and compact build make it super easy to pack. It heats up fast, cools down quick, and delivers that crisp, just-pressed look. If you're always on the move, this mini iron keeps you looking sharp and ready. Small size, big performance, that's new Beeler. Here's innovation at its peak, the Mockar Miniax, a pocket-sized device that merges data backup, charging, and file security in one. Just plug it into your phone, and it automatically backs up photos, contacts, and videos without using the cloud. It's privacy, convenience, and peace of mind packed into one sleek gadget. Plus, it doubles as a fast charger while protecting your files from accidental loss. Whether you're traveling or just want extra safety, Minimax is your digital lifesaver. Small enough for your keychain, yet powerful enough to store your world. For drivers who want total confidence on the road, the 70mm Cam Pro A500S is a must. Featuring a crystal-clear 2K resolution and advanced ADAS, driver assistance, it watches the road so you can drive safely. It detects lane departures, collisions, and even records while parked. The GPS tracking and night vision make it incredibly reliable in all conditions. Compact and sleek, it fits seamlessly behind your rearview mirror. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly view or download footage from your phone. It's the kind of tech that gives you peace of mind every mile. If portability is your priority, the Protoarch XKM0 folding keyboard is pure genius. It folds in half to fit right in your pocket, but opens up to a full-size ergonomic keyboard. With Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs instantly with laptops, tablets, and even phones. The tactile keys feel satisfying and quiet, perfect for digital nomads or frequent travelers. Its built-in touchpad replaces your mouse, making it an all-in-one typing station. The battery life is impressive, lasting days on a single charge. Type anywhere, anytime, with style and precision. Get ready for the Swiss Army knife of the future, the Gyriitis 16-in-1 multi-tool. Designed for adventurers, it packs everything from pliers and screwdrivers to a saw and wire cutter. Made from aerospace-grade steel, it's rugged yet lightweight. The one-hand operation and safety lock make it easy to use in any situation. Whether you're camping, fixing, or exploring, this tool's got your back. Every edge, hinge, and grip feels engineered for reliability. It's the ultimate companion for anyone who loves gear that can do it all. Efficiency, meet durability. Why settle for one screen when you can have three? The Trio 3 and Trio 3 Pro turn your laptop into a multi-display powerhouse. Just attach them magnetically, and you instantly get dual or triple screens for maximum productivity. Whether you're coding, editing, or gaming, the extra workspace changes everything. The Pro model even supports touchscreen input for ultimate control. Despite their power, they're ultra slim and fold neatly for travel. Say goodbye to window switching frustration. With Trio, multitasking has never looked or felt this smooth. And finally, the Pub Vento Go X1, the world's most portable smart air purifier. It's designed for people on the move, cleaning the air around you wherever you go. The compact form fits perfectly in your car, office, or travel bag. Using HEPA filtration and plasma ionization, it removes allergens, odors, and bacteria fast. The minimalist design looks amazing on any desk, powered by USB-C for easy use. You can even control it with your phone for real-time air quality updates. Breathe fresh, live smart. Vento Go makes clean air truly mobile. That's it for today's roundup. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tech, right here on Top Tech Gadgets.